In this video, we're going to talk about what if you can eat all your favorite foods, not change the amount of calories you're eating, not change the food you're eating, but just slightly change the time of day in which you eat them and dramatically lower your body fat. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. It's definitely possible, and a study just came out this year that proves that it's true. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Cola, and I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 25 years. And if this is your first time here and you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. I don't want anyone to miss one of the videos. Okay, let's get right to it. Let's talk about it. Imagine this. Imagine if you could eat all your favorite foods. You don't have to reduce your calories. You can keep on eating all the things you want to eat. But if you just slightly change the time of day in which you eat them, you can lose weight and lower your body fat. Actually, a study came out just this year proving just that. Okay, let me tell you, it's a 10-week study. They took they split people up into two groups. Half the group, all they did was eat breakfast 90 minutes later, and they had dinner 90 minutes sooner. And over a 10-week period, they lost twice the amount of body fat as the other control group who didn't change anything and just ate normally. And is that incredible when you think about it? They didn't reduce calories. They didn't change what they were eating. They just changed the time of day in which they eat them. Pretty much, they just they tightened up their eating window. And it resulted in twice as much loss in body fat. Okay, now this is a form, you may have heard it, it's kind of a buzzword now, intermittent fasting. I like the term time-restricted feeding. Me and my wife have been time-restricted feeding for like 8-9 years now. You know, my wife doesn't work out. She's very active. She works, and she is like lean as can be. You know, we're middle-aged. We're in our 50s. My wife does not have a morsel of food until 12 in the afternoon every single day. And then we have our last meal by 8 o'clock at night. We practice at something called 16-8, where we fast 16 hours a day, and then we take all our food into an 8-hour eating window. I like to call it time-restricted feeding. I'm going to link up a whole playlist of videos that I made about time-restricted feeding, all the pros and cons and health benefits. But this protocol, what this study shows is that you don't have to go as extreme as what I do and what my wife does. All you have to do is eat breakfast 90 minutes later and then eat dinner 90 minutes sooner, and you're going to lose weight. It works, I'm telling you. I've trained hundreds of people. I've got so many of my clients, my personal training clients, on this simple protocol, and they're losing weight. It works, believe me. If you want to lose weight, just do that. I mean, down the road, once you get into it, I'd love you to experiment with 16-8, and then I would want you to change your diet. I mean, ultimately for good health, you want to eat whole food, a nutrient-dense type diet. I'm a component of that low-carb type eating. But for now, if you want to lose weight, just eat breakfast 90 minutes later and have dinner 90 minutes sooner. It works, believe me. Do it. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And remember, if you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, I make these videos. I do like 1 or 2 videos every single week. Subscribe to my channel. You have any questions, I answer comments instantly. Also, if you've experimented with this time-restricted eating, intermittent fasting, leave a comment. Whether it worked for you, whether it didn't work for you. If you need help with it, leave a comment. I'll help you. I'll do anything I can. Okay? Take care, everyone, and have a wonderful day.